Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening Google Pay and tapping the Profile or Bank section. You need to initiate a PIN reset now. Once done, choose your UPI ID or linked bank account and select Forgot UPI PIN. Make sure you enter the debit card last 6 digits and expiry when prompted, because this links your request to the bank. You must rely on the bank's verification step. There is no supported, secure way to skip OTP verification for safety reasons. Once you submit debit card details, Google Pay asks the bank for verification, and the bank sends an OTP to your registered mobile number. You need that OTP to proceed. Enter the OTP to confirm your identity. This proves you control the bank account. After validation, the app prompts you to enter a new UPI PIN twice so it can be stored securely. Make sure your new PIN is memorable but not obvious, and avoid reusing obvious sequences or birth dates. To finish, confirm the reset succeeded by checking the bank card status in Google Pay or doing a small test payment to a trusted contact. This verifies the PIN works. If you did not receive the bank OTP, request resend and make sure your mobile number on file with the bank is correct. Sometimes network delays occur. If verification repeatedly fails, contact your bank's customer support or Google Pay help. Only they can restore access securely without bypassing required authentication.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.